What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Donna.
And your boy Ray.
Back at it with another YouTube
Back
video.
at it with another video, y'all.
So, we just want to thank you guys for all the love and support.
All the love and support.
And 2021. And Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, y'all. 2022. Coming with a banger, baby. We coming with them bangers. We coming hard this year, man. We not playing around, y'all. So tell them what we going to be doing today, babe.
So today we're actually going to go to New Grand Mart, which is a really big Asian Oriental market in our area. That's the biggest one we have. So that's what we decided to do. We're going to be choosing random Asian drinks and desserts.
Just random stuff,
Snacks.
y'all. Whatever catches the eye, we just going to grab it. We're going to see. We're going to be trying to do stuff like this for y'all all the time, man.
We're probably going to do like a part 1, 2, 3. So we're not going to get a little too crazy. Yeah. But we're going to take y'all with us.
Take y'all with us to the market, y'all. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we're in the Oriental market. I'm about to just grab some random looking, good looking stuff. Let's see what we can get.
On a mission. Get that banana milk.
Which one?
Right there.
This one?
Down there.
Right here? This one? Yeah. Banana milk. Ooh, okay, that might be fire. I want to try this mixed fruit juice.
Sure.
Okay. One more drinky drink. Just to try. What you see that you ain't never tried before?
I don't know.
What about these? Nectar, lychee, passion fruit nectar. No. One of these. Vitamin milk.
Another banana milk. Tiger sugar. What is this?
Tiger sugar?
What is this?
Is that a drink? It's a drink?
Instant milk tea. Ooh.
Ooh, okay. That's 3. Give me real quick. To the next aisle. Alright, I know y'all tired of seeing my face. We're gonna let Babe pick out something this time. But I'm still carrying the basket. Yay! What you gonna get, Babe? One more drink? What you gonna? Some aloe vera. Too basic, yeah. We know what aloe vera is, y'all. What's burdock tea? I heard of burdock before, I think.
Try this cold brew matcha?
Yep, cold brew matcha, babe.
Cold brew tea.
It look green. I'm gonna go matcha.
I'm gonna try this.
Okay. Red season with apple. Okay, let's try this then. All right, y'all, we got 4 drinks so far. To the next aisle. Yep. Next aisle, snack aisle, we'll be with it. We gonna grab, man. Is those bing bongs? Oh, bing bing.
You wanna try this rice candy?
Yeah, try some rice candy. Never had that before.
Yeah.
I don't know, let's try it. Let's try that Ghana white chocolate.
Yeah.
Right there. Snacks. Pizza, potato, potato chips. Pizza, potato chips. What's next? Anything? What you? Pizza, potato chips. What's that?
It's milk crunch. Ooh, like cereal.
Throw it in there.
Sriracha flavored peas.
Sriracha flavored peas. Ooh.
Alright, it's Yvonne's turn to pick out some snacky snacks.
Alright, I'm gonna go with. I want to go with these right here. These shrimp flavored chips. Yeah.
Sure.
Shrimp flavored chips. What else we gonna go with?
What's that? Oh, that's really popular.
What?
Ooh, try that bulgogi flavor.
Which one?
Fushu.
These?
Fushu,
Oh,
yeah.
These ramen.
No, but it's like snack.
Oh, don't boil it, smash it. Y'all, this is cool, man. All my life, I've been eating the ramen out the pack, not cooked. And they got it so you can eat it not cooked. Wow. What's next? Want to try these tofu kimchi snacks?
Yes.
And then some.
Oh, get the, oh yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Oreo. All right, guys, back from the store. I'm going to show y'all what these snacks taste like that we got, man. What you want to start us off with, Sugar Booger?
Let's start with the drinks first.
Drinks first? Which one?
So this is yuzu, red, shiso, and apple.
You know what shiso is?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Yuzu skin is full of aromatic essential oils. They may settle as the top of your drink.
Oh.
Interesting. Ooh.
I like it. This is a beautiful colored drink. I hope it tastes good. It tastes good. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah, a little red shiso. It's not too bad.
It tastes like a soda, but with like
a healthy, a little healthy soda. Okay.
Since we're on the juicy side, let's go with the next one. Your pick.
Oh yeah, I picked this out. What I picked? Mixed fruits juice drink. You know, Chin Chin is the company. I just thought it was gonna taste good. Let's see what it tastes like, yo. Pop that junk. You wanna do the honors?
Sure.
I smell it. It seems like it tastes good. The hit ain't.
It's okay. It tastes like one of those drinks that you mix with like other stuff.
Oh yeah, I like this though. It's not too sweet.
It's kind of thicker.
Yeah.
It's not like a smooth juice. It's like a.
Not too sweet, not too not too much. I like this.
Yeah, something you drink, not for me though.
Something I drink. I like my mixed drinks and stuff, man.
I'm excited for this.
What's
banana milk.
Banana milk. I'm excited for the banana milk too though. I ain't gonna cook. We're gonna see though.
I always see this one. I never got it though.
You like it?
It's Taiwan. It's not too much. Isn't too sweet. It's light. It's pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's alright. It's light. It's something you like. Something you like.
Something
yeah.
me. Save the best for last. I'm so excited.
It's not bad though. We did good on the drinks. Hey, we randomly picked these drinks, man.
I know.
Yeah. So far, so good. That's 3 for 3 right there. Let's see what the fourth one hitting on. Go ahead, babe.
This one looks pretty good. Tiger sugar. I love tiger milk tea, so let's see how it is. Look how cute it is.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. You don't look like you was.
It's
You
alright.
look
It's
like
good.
you enjoyed that.
It kind of tastes like coffee though, like a coffee milk tea.
Well, yeah.
I like it though.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
It tastes like
not too sweet.
Not too sweet. Not too much. Not too much coffee flavor.
Dang, you like it with Tiger Bear?
I like that.
The drink's pretty good.
Drinks?
I think we did a good job.
Drinks. Hey, if you see these drinks at your local market, if you got an Oriental market, try them out. They hitting. Or if you already had them, let us know in the comment section, man, because fire, 4 for 4. Which one? All right, yeah, gotta save the cakes and chocolates for last. So which?
So the sweets last,
yeah.
right?
So which chips you want to open
Let's
first?
go with yours.
Oh yeah, pick up mine. Shrimp chip. Shrimp chip, y'all. You see the shrimp.
But these aren't your original shrimp chips, like most like Asian stores. So they're like kind of different.
Yeah. Okay.
Check them out.
Oh, you gotta tip.
Wow,
you gotta tear her. You can't pull on this bag, y'all. You gotta tear it. Okay, now they smell a little shrimpy. They're busting it.
Alright. Definitely better. I mean, not better, but like different texture than the other one.
Yeah. I like these. I like these better than the other shrimp chips you get.
They're very light.
Yeah, they're light.
Not too much. Not too shrimpy.
Not too shrimpy.
Good amount.
Nice crisp potato or whatever.
Let's try the tofu kimchi snack next.
Wow. Wow, Sarah here, babe.
Yeah.
You said this tofu kimchi snack?
I like the texture. Very crunchy. What do you think?
I thought it was gonna be a little, but it's good. It's great. Actually.
Nicely flavored.
Hold on, we didn't miss that. Yo. We ain't missed yet, y'all. Try those out too. We're gonna try these.
They're popular.
Already cooked. So how you do it, babe?
Bulgogi flavor.
You sprinkle the sauce, shake and enjoy. Oh, they say smash it. Oh, ooh.
Alright, while you do that.
Yeah. Well, I
Let's try
smash these, y'all.
Piece of potato.
Piece of potato?
Everything is hair, not like an American where you just like.
Yeah.
It's nice, sweet.
Americans, we just. Piece of potato chip. Taste piecey. Like a Pringle. Put a piece of the piece of Pringles. But not too not much pizza. Yeah.
It's like a very
light
one.
one.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's good. I like that. I don't like pizza pretzels. I mean pizza, the pizza flavored Pringles. So those like a lot lighter. I like those. So this one said you had to crunch it up. Kind of how you used to do it, in the HOOD. Crunch it up, put out the sauce.
They really got your sauce packed.
Yeah, you got the this how you eat it, y'all. It said don't boil it.
Crazy.
Yeah, don't boil it, shake it. Shake and stir.
That's enough. Just put the whole thing.
Yeah, just put the whole thing.
Alright.
She got
Alright, okay.
Alright, we might get carried away with stuff. Alright, let's see. Yeah, show them the.
Tastes like ramen.
It just look like ramen with the seasoning on it, y'all. That's it. Let's see what it tastes like.
I can't believe they sell this. That's funny.
Bruh.
It don't taste like bulgogi.
It don't taste like bulgogi at all. It tastes like beef packer.
I lied. Bulgogi is sometimes sweet. It's too sweet.
It is sweet. It is too sweet.
I don't like it.
I taste the sweet. I think I got some sweet sauce right there. It still
like
got some chicken flavor.
Yeah, chicken flavor probably better.
So
like ramen.
So I think we missed on this one. That was a miss. That was an air ball.
Yeah.
But everything else, good. What's this? I don't know. It look like a churro. But then it got cheese in it.
So we're doing dessert snacks, right?
Yeah, dessert. Because we,
Churro cheese.
Churro cheese, is that what it is?
Yeah.
That's what it look like.
Ew, I didn't even, not ill, but I didn't realize it's cheese.
It might be cream cheese.
Like the cheese film on your boba?
No. Okay, please. Babe. Look, y'all. That's all you had to do.
We're making this way too complicated.
Way too complicated. Alright. You want to take half, take a little piece, I'll take a little piece. Look like a churro or something.
Why is it so hard though? Let me just take a bite. Is that cheese? I can't tell. It's interesting. What?
Yo, I swear this was a churro.
With cheese?
With cheese.
Does it taste like cheese? I don't know.
Bro.
Maybe I didn't bite too hard into it. You took a big bite though.
That's cheese, bro.
Don't get this.
I'm so weak. The churro is good, but then you start to taste the cheese on it. I can't believe it.
I guess that's two things you should put together.
Yo, that's funny. What's next? These.
This is a lot from that brand. I see that brand a lot. This is the milk. I don't know. Is this like cereals?
You say eating with milk? Oh, it do look like
I
cereal.
don't know. It does look cute though.
Let's try it though. We can just, if we like it.
Oh my god. This is a bustle of milk.
Them wood butts with some milk. I ain't gonna tap.
Dang, these are good.
Public transportation. Okay. I'll say them eating with
Yeah,
some
I'm
milk.
gonna eat this with milk later. With mine. It's fun. We can share.
We can share it, y'all. Look. Get y'all some of them, but say eat with milk. I'm pretty sure it's better with milk.
Alright, your Ghana white chocolate.
Ghana white chocolate, y'all. I love white chocolate, so let's hope it's good.
Excited.
Excited for that white chocolate. Excited for that white chocolate.
I mean, everything's nicely wrapped.
Everything is nicely wrapped. You're right about that.
This is interesting.
Okay. A little light. Look, you know. Let me see. Ghana white chocolate.
You love white chocolate. So
I love
let's
white
see how
chocolate.
it
Let's
is.
see.
It's good.
That was good. It was so soft when I bit into it. Like,
It's not too like
Yeah.
sweet like American white chocolate. It's like a perfect.
it's
in
perfect.
between.
That was so good, yo.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, Ghana white chocolate. I'm
Take
sold.
another bite. I'm sold.
I'm sold.
All right, you guys.
I'm
Let's
sold.
save the last one.
Donna's been
I
waiting
mean,
for
the
this.
best for last.
She said this gonna be the best. We've been waiting to see.
I don't know. I love the little, chocolate pies and stuff, but this is, oh yes, cookie cream cake.
Cookie green cake. Oh
Wanna
yes.
share one?
Yeah, let's show them this one, see. Yeah, that Ghana chocolate.
Something else.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if this make you say, oh yes.
That might be that white. That's why it's called oh yes. Could it make you say oh yes? Let me see. It's giving me
Like those Debbie cakes or whatever.
Debbie cake vibes.
Not bad.
Not bad. It tastes like a little Debbie cake.
You want like a little nice sweet treat.
Yeah, a nice little sweet treat.
Not bad.
I thought it was gonna be something else, but I definitely eat it.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it tastes like your typical
Debbie cake.
Asian. No, your Asian like light cake flavor stuff.
True.
Yeah.
I said Debbie cake. All I know is Debbie cake.
All right. That'll wrap
That's
it up,
that's all.
guys.
That's gonna wrap it up, y'all. We, 2022. We going hard. We hope you guys are going hard for your dreams and your goals. Hope you guys have a prosperous, a great year this year. Because we hoping to have a great year as well. Until next time. As always, y'all. Peace and love, baby.